Come test drive the 2016 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.